Hello everyone, welcome to Sustainable Innovation YouTube channel. Today we want to talk more about how to grow poultry and how to do your poultry using organic method. The treatment method that I'm going to show you today is very simple and we are going to use organic methods. Please, before we go deeper, can you take time and subscribe to this channel? Please share this information with your networks. Let them have this information. Organic is fantastic. And let us be able to follow that and do the due diligence so that your birds can be free from any chemical and you feed them the right way. I'm simply going to explain for you how we can use Neem tree to treat our birds. This is a very simple medicine that everyone is capable of making, as long as that you can be able to access the Neem tree. When you have the Neem tree, collect the leaves slowly and make sure you have the right one. You can use the roots or the leaves. Collect them. This much. This is what you need to have. The next thing you need to do is cut them into small pieces. As you cut them, make sure you have your cooking pot with you around. Out of this, mix the whole content. Then add 5 liters of water to this Neem tree. After adding the 5 liters of water, cover that. Light up your jiko or any source of heat that you have around. Let the solution boil. If the water was 5 liters, let it boil until the water goes down to 1 liter under slow heat. Very low. The moment the solution will be 1 liter, get it out. The container we are using is not 5 liters, but I'm just showing you the process. You add it here, you make sure it is 5 liters, and then boil it. After boiling it until the solution has reached 1 liter, the only thing you do, it will be very green and thick. Sieve that solution and administer to your birds. That 1 liter, get half a liter, mix with 5 liters of water and give your birds. The Neem tree solution is used to treat Coccidiosis and fall typhoid. Administer the solution for 5 days. Since this is going to be a very strong antibiotic, actually, when the solution is already 1 liter, just get 1 tablespoon to 5 liters. 1 tablespoon to 5 liters. And administer to your birds for 5 days. You shall have taken care of the fall typhoid disease and Coccidiosis. When the bird was having diarrhea, blood stains too. That is going to be very effective for your bird. I hope now that you have learned something that you can be able to use to take care of your bird. You don't have to complain that you don't have money to treat your birds. Poultry is all about being innovative and finding very simple solutions which can help you increase your household income. Because with this simple method, why do your birds have to die? They will not die anymore. The solution is already here. We are only using Neem tree to help us take care of our birds. Please leave for us a comment and let us know if you have learned something. Thank you.